I was just creating a new page. I was just creating a new page on my WordPress site and thought about I was just creating a new page on my WordPress site and I was looking at all the templates that Divi has to offer. So I thought I'd share them with you in case you didn't know about them. Now to find the templates, you have to make sure you're using the Divi Builder, so you click there. And then you go to Load Layout, and it opens up to these pre-made layouts. There's 112 layout packs with 846 total layouts, which is pretty crazy. You can see them all here. They have one for just about every business type. Restaurant, coffee shop, farmer's market, travel agency, florist. They're adding new ones all the time. I think I see them email me once a week with new ones. So I really like this life coach one, so I'm going to show you it. You just click on it, and then it shows you that, and it shows you the different pages that you can use. So there's an about page, blog, etc. Let me show you the live demo of it. Here's the live demo. These are pretty nice templates. They look very professional. And you can click up here and go see the different pages in action. Okay, so let's go back. If we want to use this one, you'd pick what page you want to use. So I just want to use the home page, for example. Hit Use Layout. And it brings it into your WordPress site. Now I'm just going to save it so I can show you the preview. You still have to go in and add your content and customize your colors, but now you have a basic template that you can use. Now it looks kind of funny because there's one more thing I want to show you that you need to do. If you go back to the page, you can go to page attributes, and the template's default, you want to hit blank page, save it again, do a refresh. There, now my top header's gone, so it looks proper. But that's pretty cool. I didn't know if you knew about that, so I thought I'd share it with you. It really makes creating your websites quick and easy, and anyone can do it and make beautiful websites without knowing any coding. Hope that helps.